If your Krita Toolbox icons feel too small or too large, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the icon size in just a few seconds. This is a simple customization, but it can make a big difference in your workflow, especially if you want better visibility or a cleaner workspace. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Krita and look at the Toolbox area on the left side of the screen. The toolbox contains all your main tools like your brush, eraser, selection tools, and more. Now, right-click directly on the toolbox. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Icon Size. Click Icon Size, and you'll see the available size choices for the toolbox icons. Depending on your version of Krita, you may be able to choose from smaller or larger icon settings. Select the size that works best for you, and the toolbox icons will immediately update. This is a great way to make the interface more comfortable, whether you prefer compact icons for more screen space or larger icons for easier clicking. If the icons still don't look right, you can always right-click the toolbox again and try a different size until it feels perfect. It's a very fast adjustment, and there's no complicated setup required. Once you've chosen the right icon size, you can continue working with a toolbox that matches your preference and makes painting or editing much easier. And that's how to change the icon size in Krita's Toolbox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Krita guides just like this one.